Khwlwmkha takhwk te bwkhwk song tai lamsogo ani o channel faidi chengtini nalinai Northeast Regional Institute of Education, National Council of Educational Research and Training, Umiam Shillongni hote ketal job notification faikya norok o website thangai nainamu chungka hanke type khaidi neri.nic.in thangmani pore boni o website open engnai open angmani pore kaisa norok oro option nugui manana announcement henai o jaga click khaidi aboni pore vacancies o click khaidi nugui mano o jaga tamasijak latest vacancies Northeast Regional Institute of Education will be appointing 4 assistant professors in various subjects purely on contractual basis through online video conferencing. The shortlisted candidate will be intimated via email and the interview link will be shared accordingly. For details, please check complete advertisement. Takhwk te bwkhwk song wngkha assistant professor ni bagai wngkha purely contractual basis job unai faidi chung pura notification nalene oro click khaidi nugui mano wngkha post ni bumung wngkha vacancies te wngkha consolidated nini salary per month pulang tongana ji assistant professor teaching methodology for physics wngkha special education aboni pore mathematics aboni pore psychology vacancy jotono kaisa kheno tongo jaga tai salary ka 45000 joto post ni bagai no aboni pore jara eligible candidates may submit their application in the prescribed format to this email ID up to 7th August 2021. For advertisement details and application form, please visit this website. Takhwk te bwkhwk song norok jodi o job ni bagi interest tongkha hanke norok bongni email ID o nongni documents te bongni je application format abna fill up khaye rehodi before 7th August 2021 ni bishingo faidi chengte bonalene Takhwk te bwkhwk song wngkha essential qualification faidi obonalene good academic record with at least 55% of the marks or an equivalent grade of B in the 7-point scale at master degree level in the relevant subject physics, special education, mathematics, psychology and physical education from an Indian university or an equivalent degree from a foreign university. Takhwk te bwkhwk song norok master degree complete khaine nai at least 55% marks dei haikeba B grade tono nangnai abon pore norok net slate complete khaine nangane abon pore post graduate degree in education MA education with minimum 55 marks. This criteria may be relaxed in case candidates with required qualification are not found for the post. Aboni pore experience borok nayo teaching experience in college institution for teaching methodology for B.Ed M.Ed students for methods of physics, special education, mathematics tai psychology abonati borok teaching experience ba nayo abong important instruction dok norok nainedi noni relevant photograph passport size abo nangana tai abo purely contractual basis 7 August ni sang nangnai o email address o same no ang je tasing ang tai abo no tesa bar bar sana thangya tai jara candidates already in job should submit no additional certificate from their current employer along with their application. Takhwk te bwkhwk song jara job khaitone rok borok ke o job no apply khan thangake no objection certificate submit ma khainai. The candidate who have already worked in the council in the same post beyond 2 years to 6 months are not eligible to apply. Okay. Abon parenka offer of appointment to the selected candidate will be sent through email only. Takhwk te bwkhwk song noni appointment borok email ti send khaine. Then application without email ID, phone number and signature will be summarily rejected. Takhwk te bwkhwk song noni application noni email ID te phone number tai jodi signature jodi kari hanke abo reject ngi thangnai abno application form fill up khaibol kisa carefully babe check khai fill up khai re hodi abon pore the competent authority reserves the right to cancel, suspend, postpone the recruitment process. It also reserves the right to fill up any or all vacancies. Abong kaboni organization te borok je kono time o job nete cancel pan khamano ba suspend kan khamano hai ke postpone khamano. Abon pore the selected candidate can be provided guest house accommodation in institute campus on payment basis. takhwk te bwkhwk song jara borok selected ngai rok borok no a jaga no boni kaisa campus tongo a jaga no no tongoi manai payment ruboi aboni pore canvassing in any form will be treated as disqualification and shall lead to cancellation of the candidate. takhwk te bwkhwk song obong kaboni application form norok obo download khainai di haike ang description box o notification purari rana norok oroni theke pano print naima na download khaye noni passport size already aboni pore noni post apply for bo subject nete apply khane abo mention khaidi aboni pore ni bumu date of birth nini caste ready aboni pore ni father hake guardian bumu nini permanent address aboni ni communication address aboni pore ni contact number email id aboni pore educational qualification from SLC onwards jotono examination subject year of passing board university institution percentage of marks abon pore wngkha professional qualification B.Ed M.Ed etc obobo mention khaidi abon pore net slate obobo borok sano bo subject qualified wngkha obobo mention khaina nai work experience bo post tongmani organization bumong tamo busuk salary man mani bufurun chibe busuk jara obobo mention ma khainai aboni pore noni place the date doi noni signature di signature mani pore norok ni documents na jaga select tongo kindly enclose scan copies of all relevant documents noni jodi net slate tonga ke abo scan khairi hodi joto documents norok scan khaye boni email id o send khai ri hodi takhwk te bwkhwk song tin bagai to sngno Belai kheno hambai ani o video no naima bagai ang takasano no koinamu chungo hoitoba nini o job notification nainga phanangai mano but nini dara haikani ni manai ba nini bai bani sinjak borok obniti interest tongai mano abono bono share khana tapokdi bono share khai jate joto information buibo manthong Belai kheno hambai tai tin bagai sngno khwlwmkha